How to turn on or turn off mouse and trackpad enhance pointer position on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on general management. After click on general management, scroll down and click on mouse and trackpad. After click on mouse and trackpad, you will see enhance pointer position is here. If you want to turn off enhance pointer position, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see enhance pointer position is turned off. If you want to turn on enhance pointer position, turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see enhance pointer position is turned on. You will turn on or turn off enhance pointer position from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off mouse and trackpad enhance pointer position on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.